In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create org chart in Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and going to a blank spreadsheet. You can use a new file or an existing one, but it is best to begin with a clean sheet so the chart is easy to see and adjust. Keep in mind that Google Sheets creates an org chart from a simple relationship structure, so the data you select matters. Next, go up to the top menu and click Insert. From the Insert menu, choose Chart. Google Sheets will immediately place a chart onto your sheet, and a chart editor will appear. At first, the chart is usually set to something like a column chart, which is not what we want for an organizational chart, but it is a normal starting point. Now click where it shows the current chart type, such as column chart. This is where you change the chart into the correct format. In the chart type area, switch the chart to an organizational chart style. Once you do that, the chart will be ready to use IDs and reporting lines to build the structure. After that, focus on the options used to define the org chart. Click the setting to add an ID. When you click Add ID, you will be prompted to select or confirm the range that contains the unique identifiers for each person or role. Highlight the correct cells in your sheet that represent those IDs. These should be unique because the org chart uses them to know which box is which. When your selection looks correct, click OK to confirm. Next, click the option to add a parent. This tells Google Sheets who reports to whom. Click Add Parent, and then highlight the cells that contain the parent ID for each row. For the top position in your organization, the parent value is typically left blank because that role does not report to anyone above it. When you have highlighted the correct range, confirm it, and then click OK. Once those two fields are set, your org chart will generate an update based on the relationships in your data. If the layout looks off, double-check that the highlighted ranges match the correct columns and that the IDs line up exactly with the parent values. And that is all there is to it.